Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Bezzera. We changed the heating element. Let's see how got the temperature up right, and we checked that, no leaks. Got some test coffee, and this is a single shot portafilter, so I had a little loose of a ground just so it can come out there all right, but here it is coming out just a little fast, but still looks good. Check the steam. Nice strong steam, still holding its pressure. Nice hot water. There you have it. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.